I don't know if this is the right bulb. We'll find out.
Baby, look at me now, look at me now, yeah. All this cash on me make 'em wanna go down. Like a big slow down. I can show you up, baby, I'm a po-fo. Sippin', yeah, baby. All this cash on me make 'em wanna go down. Like a fake club, girl, like a big slow down. I can show you up, baby, I'm a po-fo. Sippin' all day, baby, what you waiting for? If you need a drink, I got drugs on me. Gotta watch for the 12, I got drugs on me. I've been going hard, I've been working OT. I'ma make a stack, put it on my mommy, yeah.
Alright, what are we up to, Matt?
Alright, so one of the lights on the trunk here, one of our running lights for our taillights is actually burnt out. It's gonna be a quick, simple, easy video. But we're going to show you how to change out the taillight bulb on your trunk portion of your running lights. Just follow along.
This is the driver's side.
Driver's side, alright. I don't know if this is the right bulb. We'll find out. Me? You mean we? I don't have any lights in my room. Yeah, you do. Yeah.
This trusty butter knife.
That was money. Well, non-marring prying tool works pretty well too. They go in conjunction together. It helps when you have a little bit of bend to your butter knife too.
Yeah.
But all you're gonna do is pop up the top tab. You pop out this top tab here. That. Pull the whole thing out. Try not losing in your trunk like I'm doing. Off, you gotta take your emergency handle here and just let it hang, I guess. So, and here, this little bracketry assembly should come off. Alright, so all you have to do is pull this clip back right here, and you should be able to pull right down on it, and it pops right out.
Yeah.
And there's our culprit. So the bulb you will need for this will be a 7506 or a 1073. Pop it in, twist it, push this back in. Make sure this line over here is this piece of plastic's lined up. Should pop in. Bada bing, bada boom. Put the pops back in. These ones have been in here for a while, so it's easier to pull them out. Kind of pinch the wedging parts together a little better. Pop them in. Push pin part in. Yeah. You're gonna need those eventually when yours go up.
Yeah.
Anyways, guys, so already lost one. You know, that's how it goes. We made it more efficient. So, anyways, that's how you change out the bulb on your running light and trunk deck portion of your BMW E90 335i. This is 2007. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, hit the notification bell, and peace out.
Oh yeah. Voila. Working lights.
Completed. That's how it goes. Easy peasy.